Hi everyone. So I'm going to show you how to use Praat once you've downloaded it. So when you download it, and then open it up, you'll see that there are two windows. There's the Praat Objects window here on the left, and on the right there is the Praat Picture window. We're not going to use the Praat Picture window, so you can go ahead and close that. So now that's going to give us the Praat Objects window. And what we want to do now is we want to record ourselves saying something. So we'll click on New, and then we'll click at the first thing, Record Mono Sound, and that will bring up a sound recorder window. Okay, you can leave all of these settings alone, and then to record, we'll just click Record. Record, record. So when I'm done, I'll push Stop and Save to List. So then when I click on the list, you'll see here Sound Untitled. So what I'm going to do now is click on View and Edit, and then here you can see the sound images, whatever, I don't remember what we call them, of our words. So here you can see I said record. So you can see that this you can see that the two syllables are roughly the same length. Here you can see that I said record, because you can see how much longer this stressed vowel is. So to play it, we'll just click somewhere over here and then push on the tab button. Record, record. Okay, and so I don't know if you could hear that well, but once you click over here somewhere, you can see this is record. Then we can highlight part also. Okay. Down here you can see the intonation curve. I will be honest, this doesn't always pick up your intonation perfectly. So even though I know my pitch was higher here, it still shows that I ended up on a higher level in the second syllable. Here though, it does look correct. So if we go back and play them both, you can see that this is longer and that my pitch drops. So that's all there is to using Praat.